Hey, Christina, would you like some of these chicken wings that I'm gonna cook? They're gonna be really good. Yes.
Round one.
I'm about to kick your behind. Oh, don't. What you say? Huh? I said, do you want some of these good chicken wings, girl? I'm about to throw down. Girl, yeah, I want some chicken. Hold on, I'll be right back. Pause it. I'm gonna get some chicken. You want some chicken wings? I'll be back. Yes. So what kind of chicken wings are you making? I'm showing up hungry. Girl, what are you doing? I'm cleaning the chicken. What do you think? Oh,
My chicken clean.
girl, you don't clean chicken like that. Do you know you do not clean chicken like that? What you trying to do? Make everybody sick? Where you going? Where you going? You sure you don't want no chicken? Girl, these chicken wings.
No, girl, I'm good. Don't even worry about it.
But you was just saying you ain't ate all day. You was just saying it.
And I can go 3 more days, so I'm not about to eat